Okay, so just went out and bought this 1996 S10 with the 4.3 V6 in it, and we're having a crank no start problem. So far I have the air filter out, made sure that wasn't clogged, made sure that was clean, and now I'm going to see if it has spark. I took cylinder number 2 spark plug out, hooked the wire up. I'm going to put it to a ground, and when I crank that should spark. If that sparks, we have spark, good, golden. Then we have a fuel delivery issue. And when we have the fuel delivery issue, I will unloosen this and see if fuel squirts out of there and see how much we have. But yep.